Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dawary. For those of you who are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a day in my life. My plan was basically to what was the first thing I was gonna do? Oh, I wanted to go do my toes. Then after doing my toes, I need to go buy, I don't know why I keep squinting. After doing my toes, I need to go buy some tulle at Michael's because I'm gonna be doing like a little tutu for one of my coworkers' babies. And then after going to Michael's, I wanted to go to the beach to catch a tan, but it's supposed to be like around 88 degrees today. So far right now, it seems like it's hot. I haven't been outside, but it's kind of cloudy, so wish me luck. Okay, but first let's get into the little fresh makeup look that I did. I feel like I finally found my perfect lip combo for like gloss. I'm in love with how my makeup came out today. I wanted to do something fresh. I'm usually not the type of girl to wear makeup to the beach, but the girls be giving at the beach with their makeup. I was like, let me just do a little fresh look so that I can take pictures. And either way, it's not really like I'm gonna get in the water. I'm just gonna go tan. My flowers look kind of crazy now, but my boyfriend got me this bouquet of flowers the other day, and I am so obsessed with the way they're making my living room smell. I'm gonna put a picture of how the flowers looked before they were old. But I just realized I love the smell of eucalyptus because I feel like that's what's making the flower smell so good. So yeah, I'm obsessed. I think Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Me puedes dar un jugo de chinola y un pastelito de carne, por favor? Thank you. No hay. De pollo, entonces. Thank you. ¡Woo! ¡Qué calor! Dios mío. Should I open this? Yeah. Oh my god, it's hot. I'm gonna let my car cool off a little bit because while I eat my pastelito, you guys probably can't hear me because of the AC, but I'm so excited. I've been having really good days lately. I've been having really good days lately. I've been in a really positive mindset. Very relaxed, very like no me mata nadie type of vibe, and I love it. I really do. I got myself a pastelito de pollo. I wanted carne. Oh my god, who am I? I wanted carne, but they didn't have, so I just got pollo, and I got my favorite juice, which is chinola juice. My other favorite juice is lemonade, but after drinking lemonade every single day for like a whole month, because I don't know, me cogió con eso, I started getting heartburn, como acidez. So I stopped, well, I'm trying to stop drinking like as much lemonade as I used to. This is mad random, but question: if you drive, do you drive with your left hand? If you're driving with one hand, do you drive with your left hand or your right hand? My boyfriend and his mom, and a lot of people I know, drive with their left hand, but they're righties. And I made a mess. And I drive with my right hand. I drive like this. Is that weird? That plane is mad low. I'm almost at Michael's. I came to Cross County. Well, near Cross County, they have a Michael's here. And I'm gonna try my best to be in and out. Not done having the fall decor and the Christmas decor. Look at this. This is the time to come get your stuff. Oh my god. it's really almost that time of the year again. Hello, Ash. The only thing about Michael's is that it's so expensive, but they have really cute stuff. Let me show you guys. So this is some of the fall stuff that they have. That's cute. I like that. Fun fact, I was initially introduced to YouTube through DIY videos. I used to love DIY videos. They were my favorite to watch. Oh, this is all Halloween. But yeah, my favorite YouTube videos to watch were DIYs. I always wanted to have a DIY channel. But then eventually, like, I grew out of that. Even though I still do I still do little DIYs here and there. I know how to sew. I love fashion and I love designing and stuff. I've been a little bit distant from that interest just because I went upstate to school and that kind of sucked the life out of me. So now I'm trying to get back to like the things I used to love to do. I used to love knitting, crocheting. Let me go before I spend all my money here. It's me acting like I don't know where the tool is. Actually, I think they moved it. I need to come one of these days to Michael, but just to buy some scrapbook stuff because Danny and I want to create a little scrapbook for like our relationship with like all our pictures and stuff. I can't find the tool. They usually have a lot. All I see is yarn. Please don't tell me I came all the way over here for no reason. Oh, here it is. Thank God. I need something like this, but they have really limited colors. I don't know what to do because I need a different type of paint. They don't have much variety, to be honest. Should I do glitter? But that's gonna be uncomfortable because the baby is just to make she got a dress. But the dress is not puffy enough. So what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna make a tulle skirt to wear it under so that it could lift the dress. I'm trying to pick the elastic. I'm also gonna buy this thread and this thread because I got some fabric that is like this color. All right, I'm getting on the line because I don't need anything else from here. I'm so proud of myself. I only spent $13 at Michael's today. Yay me. I came to Danny's house. We met up. He's gonna go to the beach with me. Yay! The last time you guys saw Danny, he had short hair. His hair is almost longer than mine now. We just have to get gas before we drive to the beach. It's like 4 something now, so we're just gonna be there for a little bit because the sun sets probably like at 7:50 maybe. But before we head to the beach, we're gonna go get something to eat because we both haven't eaten today. I'm starving. I'm excited either way. I told myself I had a long to-do list for myself today. I cleaned my room. I have been recording. I went to Michael's. Later when I get home, I'm gonna edit this vlog, and then I'm also gonna work on the tutu that I have to do for the baby. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Don't forget to like this video and comment. We are currently in the Bronx. We're gonna go to a beach in Queens. It's called Far Rockaway. Mi corazón te roba. Mi melodía favorita es tu voz. Sentir el mar. Tu sexo me hizo adicto mi atención. I know I messed up. Don't mess up. Please. Si no me perdonas, es mejor te amo. A su mujer. She just lost the argument, and she's still trying to win it, but I'll call you, baby. Okay. He's like, lock the door. Yo, we're so funny. How are we going to the beach at 4:45? The last time we did this, we ended up going to the beach, and the beach was basically done. Oh my god, look at that dog, babe. Look at that dog. Look at that dog. That dog was so cute. These people are taking forever. Danny's still not out. He's been in there for like 20 minutes. Legit 20 minutes. I'm hungry. So what did you get?
You think I got? Don't look.
You definitely got beans, cause yeah.
So if I got beans, what does that mean? I got?
You got rice, beans, avocado. You probably got chicharrón.
I don't know.
Carne asada.
Man,
So pollo, pechuga.
nope.
So what did you get?
Yes. It's the next possible thing that could come out of your mouth.
Viste?
Yeah. Pepper steak.
We'll see you guys when we get to the beach. Yay! We finally made it to the beach after 1,000 years. Do you need anything from your book bag? This place is so pretty, this area. Like, living here must be a blast in the summertime. Not in the wintertime. In the wintertime, must be crazy. Look, two. All these flowers are so pretty. It is a little chilly. Oh, they got a little party thing going on, I think. I don't like this. This got too much verdura.
Huh?
It's got too much verdura. I don't like that.
It's called pepper steak for a reason.
I like the taste of it. It's just I don't like when I see it there. It's like taking my space.
I think it's a mental thing.
No, I don't think so. No, I don't like. It's not that I don't like the taste. I don't like the texture.
Oh.
That's why I take it out.
But can you even tell the texture when it's clumped
Yes,
up together?
I could tell. Guys, we just found some weird, clear looking blobs on the shore. This is what it looks like. It has some like ridges. Look, you can see it all the way over there. So it turns out it's actually a sea creature. I think they're called salps or something like that, but I think this one is like broken or dead because it looks different. But it literally feels like jelly. Look, it has some ridges. I had never seen anything like it. But look how beautiful the sunset looks. So beautiful. What happened? This one's alive? Put that down. Babe, put that down. Cause.
Eat it in my hand.
Ew, put it down, put it down, put it down. Baby, put it down, please. I don't know why he's grabbing stuff like that. It's gonna bite you. It's gonna bite you. The sunset is so beautiful. I did not get a tan, but at least I enjoyed the water. The water is so warm right now.
There's a little thing. Look, you see these? They're alive too.
Are you serious?
Yeah, these two, look, they're alive. Look. You see it? They're moving.
Yeah, baby, I don't blame people for not wanting to get in the ocean.
Look, they're alive.
Está bien, ponlo para que vivan. We're stepping on them.
They're feeding. Look.
Oh my god! Oh, we caught a fish! Yeah. Let's see. It's eating a crab. It's eating a crab. I just got home. I'm about to go shower because I feel so dirty. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi, vlog. My name is Princess. I am my mommy's baby. I am my mommy's baby. My name is Princess. Alright guys, so I just got out of the shower. Got my Christmas PJs on. I'm gonna be using the Ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution. I'm just gonna put this all over my face with this little pad. I'm just really tired and I still have to edit this video, and I still have to do the tutu, and then I have to go to sleep. But I just rub this all over my face. I have this monster of a pimple on the side of my face right here, and I have some other breakouts on the side. If you guys know anything or a good cleanser or any good skincare for little breakouts like that or texture, let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna use some of the Ordinary niacinamide. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. I always butcher the name, but it's this one right here. This has helped me a lot with texture. I just haven't been consistent with it lately, so because of that I feel like I have texture right now, but it usually clears up my skin. I just dab it on my skin. And then to finish off my nighttime little skincare routine, I'm gonna use this EOS lip balm that I got at Target. Alright guys, so this is the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
You know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I